Welcome back to the garage here at Basic Motorsports. I'm Kanan, and today I want to show you how to wash a car at home like an expert. Now, the first thing you want to do is get all of your equipment in one place ready to go. Your equipment should include two different buckets, one for water and car wash mix and one for rinsing. It should include a scrub brush with a long handle for your tires, towels to dry your vehicle, and then if you want to use any kind of concentrate for your suds or any kind of wheel cleaner, you can do that also. And lastly, the star of the show, of course, is a garden hose or a hose that can spray water. You're going to start the process by pre-rinsing everything off, so spray it off, wheels, tires, everything. That will help any loose dirt leave the car. Before you wash the car, the first things you want to wash is going to be your wheels and tires. So if you're going to use an all-wheel cleaner, make sure you rinse the tire first, then spray on your cleaner, allow it to soak following the directions, then scrub it off with your long handle brush. Once you're done, you can rinse it off, get all four tires done, and then you can move on to the exterior of the body. Next, we're going to move on to washing the exterior. Now we're going to do this by hand, moving in a horizontal direction or in a straight line or a Z pattern as we need to. Make sure you take it one panel at a time, such as a door, the roof, quarter, fender, any of those. Do them only one at a time to make sure you don't miss anything. Now when your wash mitt is dirty, you can just take it, rinse it in the rinse bucket, squeeze out all the water to make sure the contamination does not go back in your clean wash bucket, and then you can get another handful of soap and move on to the next panel. Now, if you can, while you're washing it, if you can get under the wipers, that is awesome. Either lift the wipers up or you can just lift them up manually and make sure to wash under them. That way the contaminants are out of your wiper blades. Now, once the car is completely rinsed off, you can then use your microfiber towels just to wipe the water off, get it nice and dry. That way there are no water spots when it dries. Now, once you have it completely dry, you can go an extra step using a clay bar kit just to detail it, take out any extra contaminants that are stuck in the clear coat. And then beyond that, you can do a wax job if you really want to get that extra shine on your car. Now, a couple things to keep in mind is that you don't want to wash your car in the hot sun. Try to wash it weekly if you can. If not, look up the Way.com app and find a nice car wash in your area. That way you can keep your car clean all fall and winter long. And take your time. Make sure you get over everything on the car. Take your time. Go over it twice if you need to make sure everything is properly cleaned. So that's how an expert is going to wash their car. Now, if you like these DIYs here at Way.com, be able to subscribe here at YouTube, hit the bell notification so you know when we release videos. Check us out on Instagram at Way.com_ and on TikTok at Way.com. We'll see you next time.